Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're diving into the sweet science behind an ingredient you've likely eaten but may not know by name, invert sugar. What is it, and why is it so common in candies, baked goods, and soft drinks? Let's break down the biochemistry. First, we need to understand regular table sugar, which is scientifically known as sucrose. Sucrose is a disaccharide. That fancy word just means it's a larger sugar molecule made of two smaller, simpler sugars bonded together. Those two smaller sugars are glucose and fructose. Think of sucrose as two friends holding hands. To create invert sugar, we need to break that bond and make the glucose and fructose separate. This process of splitting the sucrose molecule is called hydrolysis, which literally means to split with water. There are two main ways to achieve this. One way is by using an enzyme called invertase or sucrase. This is the natural method used by bees to make honey, which is a fantastic natural example of invert sugar. The other common method, used in industrial food production, is to heat a sucrose solution with a small amount of acid, like citric acid or cream of tartar. The heat and the acid work together to break the glycosidic bond, freeing the glucose and fructose molecules. So, invert sugar isn't a new type of sugar, it's simply a liquid mixture of equal parts free glucose and free fructose. Now for the really cool part, why is it called invert sugar? This comes from a fascinating property involving polarized light. When a beam of polarized light is shown through a solution of sucrose, the light path is bent to the right. Scientists call this dextrorotatory. However, when the same light is shown through the new mixture of glucose and fructose, the light path is bent to the left, or levorotatory. The direction of the light's rotation has been inverted from right to left, and that's how it got its name. Food scientists love invert sugar for several key reasons. First, it is slightly sweeter than sucrose because free fructose is very sweet. Second, it's hygroscopic, meaning it attracts and holds onto water very well. This property helps keep baked goods like cookies and cakes moist and fresh for longer. Finally, the mixture of two different simple sugars prevents large sugar crystals from forming. This is crucial for creating smooth textures in products like ice cream, sorbet, frostings, and hard candies, ensuring they don't become grainy. So, from keeping your cookies chewy to making your sorbet smooth, the simple biochemistry of splitting sucrose plays a huge role in the foods we enjoy every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about the science behind our food, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more content. It really helps us create more videos like this one. See you next time.